Are you looking for a real and legitimate way to make great money online? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you an opportunity that myself and tons of people from all four corners of the world have been quietly using to generate anywhere from $300 to even up to $500 or more a day. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the video, my friend. Now, first off, I want to share with you some real proof so you can see that I am actually making money. On the screen right now, I'm going to have popping up what I've actually been able to make today, and you can see it's a little over $500. Now, I'm not sharing this to impress you, but to really impress upon you what's possible when you see an opportunity in front of yourself, you remain coachable, you remain teachable, and you make a decision to change your life. But not just me, we've actually had people from all over the world plug into this and actually get some incredible results. And in a second, I'm going to share with you some of my teammates that actually saw one of my videos, got started at the link below, started following the simple step-by-step instructions, and was able to create some absolutely incredible results. But before I do, I want to share with you a little bit more information, right? First off, who is this opportunity for to make money? Because number one, you have to have a Wi-Fi or internet connection. This is an online opportunity, and if you don't have a Wi-Fi or internet connection, you're not going to be able to plug in, you're not going to be able to follow the simple blueprint in about an hour or so a day to create some absolutely incredible results and make money very quickly. Now, number two is you need to have a smartphone or computer, okay? A smartphone or a computer, because you need to be able to access the step-by-step blueprint and be able to follow the simple steps that I'm going to share with you as you continue to watch this short video. And last but not least, you need to have a PayPal account. Now, if you don't currently have a PayPal account, you can create one for free in a matter of minutes, but this is how you're actually going to be collecting the money that you're going to be making following the simple steps I'm going to share with you as you keep watching this very brief and short, powerful video. So what exactly are we doing, right? What exactly did I do to create over $500 in a single day? What exactly are my teammates doing from all over the world, from 18 years old to 80 years old, who have never done anything like this before, no previous experience, no technical ability? What are we all doing to create absolutely incredible results that you may have seen in a lot of my other videos? All we're doing is we're copy and pasting ads on social media. So sites like Facebook, sites like Twitter, sites like Craigslist. When people respond to those ads, they actually message you for more information. All you do is you send them your website that you get access to when you make a decision to join. And when that website sells for you the product, you make 100% commission or 100% of that money directly deposited to your PayPal, okay? Instant deposits. So I'm not sure if you can just picture yourself checking your PayPal account, seeing commission notification after sign up notification after deposit notification, but it's very possible when you take action on what I'm going to share with you. Now, real quick, before I share with you some actual testimonials of people that have been doing this, I want to share with you that at any time in this video, I invite you to go to the link below and check out full information. You're going to see exactly how this opportunity works. You're going to see even more proof, and you're going to be able to see how you can get started today with this, okay? This is a business opportunity, and there's a one-time investment, okay? Once you invest into this business, which doesn't cost you $700,000 like starting a McDonald's or a Starbucks business would. It doesn't cost you $500 like some of these other businesses online, okay? It's a very low cost for about the price of a meal on the weekend, and you can actually start creating absolutely incredible results, but you'll see more information when you go to the link below. So right now, my friend, I want to end this video with some videos of people that have actually worked with me, what they had to say, so you can see that, you know, it's not just me saying it, but other people are getting great results with this as well. And then again, I want to invite you to go to the link below, check out more information if this is right for you, if you're resonating with this, if you're coachable, because we do have a few spots open right now. So thanks so much for watching. Let me pass it along to these testimonial videos, and I will see you on the link below.
A shout out to my man Garrett Berry out there. His training has been phenomenal. I've just put in my 2-week notice because I am making more money in this business than I am working up here.
Garrett Berry. Okay, well, he guided me and I've done so much better.
Just a quick shout out to my man Garrett Berry. So I used to be a server at the famous milkshake spot, which is Blacktop, and I wasn't really making much. So I recently contacted Garrett. I'm proud to say that I'm making 500 plus a week because of Garrett. Garrett, like I said, you are the man.